Today I am going over easy Walt Disney World first-timer tips you must know in order to 10x your trip. Tip 1, all about the timing. Remember that the best time to visit Disney is early November or mid to late January. While you're planning that perfect day to go, don't forget to download the Disney Crowd Calendar to view the crowd level of each day. Tip 2, don't forget to purchase your cheap theme park tickets. You want to make sure that you purchase these tickets online from an authorized discount ticket provider. You will definitely save money if you buy tickets in advance instead of at the gates. Tip 3, book your vacation through an authorized Disney Vacation Planner. Going through an authorized Disney Vacation Planner will make sure you're saving the most on your Disney trip. Disney Vacation Planners usually have the latest and newest deals that Disney offers. Tip 4, download the My Disney Experience app. You can make reservations to attractions on this application. You can also check out park wait times, the show times, and even download the park maps directly from your phone. Here's a little hack. If you can't make a reservation to a special event that you've been trying to go to, then check the My Disney Experience app around 7 a.m. the day of and see if you have any luck. Tip 5, arrive at the parks early for rope drop. Rope drop is a term that has been long associated with Walt Disney World. And basically, it is the time the theme park opens for the day. At Disney World, the rope is slowly pulled aside a few minutes before people are actually allowed to pass through, and you're welcomed with this big grand old hoopla with the most popular Disney characters just welcoming you on into the world of magic. Tip 6, ride as much as you can early. Try to get many of the popular rides done before 11 a.m. This leaves you time to watch some shows or circle back around to your favorite attractions. This tip is especially important on the hot summer days in Florida. You can get your ride on, have lunch, and a show by 12 p.m. Once the sun gets crazy, you can go back to your hotel room, relax, and then come back in the evening times. Which leads me to my next tip. Tip 7 is to keep cool. Take breaks from the heat and do more indoor attractions. Buy a frosty towel to stay cool, and also remember that a cup of water is free at most quick service locations. These are all great tips to stay cool because it's gonna get crazy out here in the summer, guys. Tip 8, stop at guest services to let them know you have a special occasion. That way they can serenade you with a birthday song if it is your birthday, and you can also receive a nice button to remember your trip. Tip 9, book an early character breakfast at the Magic Kingdom. This allows you to enter the park before everyone else, and it will give you quite the head start into conquering each ride and attraction. Tip 10, if you have a small appetite and you're on a small budget, then order from the kids menu. It's significantly cheaper and it still fills you up. Tip 11, use the single rider line if your family is okay with splitting up. The single rider lines give you an opportunity to reduce the amount of time waiting in line for an attraction in exchange for not being able to experience the ride with your own party. When a single rider line is in use, empty seats on the ride vehicles are filled using individuals from the line, ensuring that every vehicle is carrying the maximum number of occupants possible. This, in turn, makes the ride and the guest time at the park much smoother. Tip 12, do a free resort tour. Resorts such as Animal Kingdom Lodge, Fort Wilderness Lodge, the Grand Floridian, and Yacht Club. These tours give historical notes in addition to some really cool facts and secrets along the way. Also note, at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, you can view animals on their property for free. Tip 13, experience Disney's Kiss Goodnight. The Kiss Goodnight is over 2 minutes long and it's at the Magic Kingdom. It's kind of like Disney's way of saying goodbye to guests at the end of a long day. After the park closes, Cinderella's castle starts twinkling as the music from When You Wish Upon a Star slowly builds up. There you have it. Easy first-timer tips to do Disney like a pro. Until next time, happy park hopping hipsters.